Okay, we are going to do some back testing on the hour Bitcoin chart using the weekly zones on the first light beacon. All right, here we go. Weekly is set, intraday is set, right? And then we are going to turn on the signal, which is going to give us our background colors and our buy and sells. This is going to be the rules. Price must retrace if it's a red background. It must retrace into a previous zone, and then we have to get a sell signal. But price must be below the first light beacon, the zone, before you can get into the trade. Okay? So it has to retrace into an old end cap. This is your end cap right here. And it must be below the zone to sell. Now, if we're buying, the background must be green. We must get a buy signal, and it must retrace into this zone and go above, and a buy signal that's above the zone we take as a buy. Our stop losses are previous zones, and we're going to see how long we can hold the trade. All right? Or we'll find a way to exit. But those are our rules of entry. So here we go. We're going to turn on the signal. Bam. It is set to weekly. Right here, background time frame, weekly. That's what we want. And we're going to come over here and we're going to start trading. So we have to have price come down and hit the previous zone right here, right? And this is our trailing stop right here, by the way. So we'll just use that probably. I don't know. So let's wait. We need it to come down and hit one of these previous zones and then go back up. Okay, that did it. That did it right there. See that? So boom, that actually came down here and wicked it. Now we're going to need it to be above, since we're green, above the zone, and we're going to need a buy signal. Okay, we're not above the zone anymore. We're back down into the range. That's a buy signal, but we're below. That one didn't take. Doesn't repaint, but it will print before candle closes. That's why you have to wait on candle close. And we're waiting and we're waiting and we're waiting patiently for a buy signal above the zone. Okay, we got one right there. Ah, we took too long. Okay, so we're buying, right? And our stop loss is going down here below the zone. And we will not have a take profit for now. And let's see what happens here. Okay, our trailing loss, see that right there? Just came up, just went into break even. So we're right there now on our trailing loss. You'll see that line move. See it moving? See it moving? Where is it? Right up there it is. And I don't want to go above this zone. We're trying to catch a bigger move. I mean, you could keep following it if you want to, but I'm gonna follow this zone for now. See what happens. Might come back and bite me, but we'll see. We'll look at price action when it gets to where the trailing stop would be. There's another buy signal. There's another. We're going into another whole week here. Okay. So let's go. There we go. Buy signal. Trailing is still going. Trailing is still going. Ooh. Okay, so let's see. It would have hit that, but we are still on our zone. Okay, now we're gonna move up. See what we saw happen here? Now we're gonna move up and we're going to put it at the new zone. Okay, so there's our market structure cross and back up. That was a bit risky, but I believe it was worth it. So you can keep going with that trailing loss, or you can hold the first light beacon, the weekly zone here. I would see it dipping down again. I don't know. I think we're pressing our luck. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow that. I am going to follow the line. So right now we've got 12,000 secured. just on one contract entry, and it is moving up, and I think we should probably follow it. So we'll follow that line. And we're still doing good. And it hit it. So there we go. $15,000 on one contract using this system to enter and finding an exit to draw out as much as we possibly can, trading whatever assets you want to trade. This system works and it is very real.